Alright guys, welcome to another video. Right now we're about to unbox the cold air intake SR Performance for my 2001 Mustang. I couldn't wait for this to come out. Alright guys, as you saw in the last video, this box has already been opened. I just want to make sure everything came inside of it and nothing was damaged while being shipped. Alright, so I haven't taken nothing out of the wrap. I just did a quick look through everything. Alright, part of the air intake. Comes folded up. I think it could have had a little bit more bubbling on it. It seems very light, but it doesn't look like there was any damage to the packaging while shipping, so I would say that's a good thing then. Wow, that finish looks amazing. So I'm assuming this part goes into the throttle body, while this would be connected somewhere around here. And then these are the fittings to put everything together. And this will be the shield. This right here, I'm assuming should be the air filter. Let's see what color it is. Oh, it's a pretty cool red. I wish it would have been blue, because I'm planning on doing a blue wrap on my vehicle. So, but I doubt you'll be able to see it, but it has a really good chrome look on it. Wow, I'm very impressed. I did want to go with the BBK, but I wanted to save some money and check out this one, since this is about $100 less than the BBK air intake. And I was looking at forums and it said it's not much difference in them performance wise. So I just want to check it out, see how it works, and then if anything I might get the BBK later. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. So if you guys do want to see me install this with the throttle body on, make sure you comment, subscribe, and let me know down below that you want to see the video. Alright guys? Alright guys, see you guys later. Mustang Addicts, out.